Alright, blokes and blokettes, boys and girls, it's Geriatric back here with another little video showing you how to do, a few things here and there. Coming off a flu. Now I've got here a beautiful impact driver by and I don't know what letter that is. People call them Ikea, so we'll just leave it at that. Anyway, these things are pretty handy around the house if you're doing a bit of DIY, or the missus is trying to get you to piece together some Ikea business. So I figured I'd show you how to use it. I haven't actually used this before, or that one. My mate gave me that one, said it's a bigger one, like for doing bigger jobs. I don't know what you'd use that for, but pretty hefty looking thing. Anyway, so first thing you got to do is get the battery in there. That's pretty simple, so we'll put that in. Well, that worked. All right, we got a lovely light on the back there, and now we got power. All right, so if you haven't used impact driver before, they're pretty easy things to use from what I've heard. Like I said, I've never actually used one of these things, but usually I just pay some bloke off Marketplace to sort out, the cabinets and whatever the missus gets from Ikea, because I got, footy to watch and lawns to mow. I can do that. Anyway, so these here are bolts. All right, you can buy these at most hardware stores. I don't know how that's going to work. But yeah, this so this thing here goes in there, and then you can put it into stuff, I guess. I'll give it a crack. So if I put this in here, you can see I got my safety boots on just to make sure I don't hurt myself. Alright. So I hope you all have been good anyway. Since my last carrot video, I've been inundated with requests for more riveting content. I figured this would be pretty handy. So what the fuck is going on here? This shouldn't be this hard, I don't reckon. Alright, that seems to have worked. It doesn't really look right. I've seen a few videos of people using these things, and I feel like we're missing something here. Yeah, that shouldn't come out that easy. Oh, jeez. Alright, this actually, yeah. Okay, give me a second, fellas. Alright, I found the bit that was missing, so it turns out you need one of these to go into this bit. So if you can imagine that's like I guess like a screw in a lot of ways. So anyway, alright, I'll put this in the front of here. Alright, let's give it a go. So put this in. Yep, alright. Now this is making more sense. Alright, there we go. So don't forget that thing, whatever that is. Alright, let's see if we can chuck one of these bad boys in a bit of wood over here. Okay, so I think you just... What the fucking hell is going on here? Was doing something. Give it another shot. Come on. Well, that... Oh, for fuck's sake. All right. What's that mean? Oh, okay. All right. I think I've got it set on reverse. So there's this little button down here. If that's out or that's in, that must be going backwards. Okay. All right, let's give this another try. Let's see. Hey, look at that. All right, boys and girls, so that's how you use a impact driver. It's got a whole range of settings. I've got no idea what any of this does. Probably if you're doing like more screws, you want more numbers, I guess. I don't know. That one there. That looks like a little axe or something. Maybe that's, I don't know, cleaning function. Anyway, I've only ever used it on this one. So I'll go back here. That felt pretty good though. I'll give this a shot. See what happens. See if this does anything different. Just didn't go in as far. So I guess that's maybe a depth setting that's like 1 millimeter or something. But that wouldn't go to 21 millimeters. Anyway, whatever. Make sure that's going forwards if you're putting them in. I'll try and take one out now. I'll push that back in. Oh, beauty. Well, that worked splendidly once I figured out what the hell that was. So it's always a good step when you get a new power tool to like actually ask the blokes in the store like what it's for and how it works and everything, because you know, if you watch Better Homes and Gardens or one of them TV shows, they just kind of do shit and they don't actually explain it. So it's always good to figure out how it all works before you start ripping apart furniture and all that. But that's all I've really got to show you guys today. So I don't know if this one, I haven't even tried this one. See, geez, it's heavy. BS must stand for bullshit or bad shit. Maybe it's broken. All right, I'll give this one a whirl. Fuck. Jesus. That's pretty intense. Looks like it's seen a few battles, this fella. Oh, little switch. Alright. Don't know what that does. Don't know what that does. Don't know what that does. It sounds like it's just your normal drill. Oh, knees take a beating, don't they, as you age? So this one's got a funny little, like, different way of getting stuff in there. I'll try my little guy here. Let's see if this works. Alright, well, I actually don't know what to do with this one either. But I guess if you want to do bigger bolts and holes and whatever, you'd probably just go for the bigger one. That's pretty logical, I'd say. Because, you know, if you look at the size difference, this one, you don't want to be carrying this around all day while you're doing doing some, Ikea cabinetry or whatever, whereas this one you can hold for a while. So anyway, blokes and blokettes, I hope you're all living the sweet life, enjoying your DIY dream in Australia. So anyway, with the Makita, impact driver, and a big drill thing. All right. Anyway, ask the blokes at Bunnings. They're great. All right. Catch you later.